Paragraph writing, the basics. In this series of lectures, we are going to learn how to write a good English paragraph following the conventions of academic writing. This course is for the first year LMD students, the licence students. Writing a good paragraph in English requires following certain conventions, and these conventions may be different from other languages. Firstly, let's try to define a paragraph. What is a paragraph? Defining the paragraph is no easy task because there are three different kinds of paragraphs, each one having a different purpose. The first one is called the introductory paragraph. It is used in essays as an introduction. The second type is called the developmental paragraph. This is found in the body of an essay. And the third type is called the concluding paragraph. This is used as a conclusion of an essay. There are some researchers who add a fourth type, which is called the transitional paragraph, but this is a rare kind of paragraph. Our focus in this series of lectures is the developmental paragraph. We are not going to discuss how to write an essay, a whole essay, but we'll focus just on part of the essay which treats one point. The definition of a paragraph is as follows. A paragraph, a developmental paragraph here is a group of connected sentences that discuss a single main idea, which is called the controlling idea. We understand here that the paragraph is a group of sentences. We should have a sufficient number of sentences. These sentences should be connected using some well-defined tools. And also, the main thing in a paragraph, or the central thing, is that all of these sentences discuss one idea. They should not discuss more than one idea. The idea is called the controlling idea because it controls the whole group of sentences. An essay can cover many ideas, many points, but a paragraph is limited to one point only. Let's take a concrete example. Suppose that you are writing an essay about the causes of delinquency, and you have three causes in mind, and you will say something about each cause. You are going to devote a paragraph for each cause. Here, the causes should not overlap. The discussion of the causes should not overlap. That's why each paragraph is limited to one point. Another thing should be said. When we say that a paragraph consists of a group of connected sentences, we are not going to consider any group of sentences a paragraph. They have to be coherently linked to each other. There must be some logic between the sentences. This is about the content of the paragraph. Let's talk about the format. What distinguishes a paragraph is that it starts with an indentation. The indentation is the space that we find in the first line of the paragraph. Usually when we type, we use the tabulation key or we use 6 spaces. The sentences which are used in a paragraph have different roles. And there are no internal divisions in a single paragraph. We must not stop in the middle of the line, then start on the next line, claiming that we are writing one paragraph. Divisions are usually used in essays. They are not used in paragraphs. The paragraph appears as one block. The lines or the sentences come after each other.